Belinda Celine, and welcome back to my channel. Do you guys like the background? I wanted to film in my living room specifically because this is like my favorite spot that's been decorated for fall, but it's probably not a good idea because I have my in-laws coming over in like an hour, and whenever I make unboxing videos, it's always a huge mess. But you know what? We're going to film this because I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys want to see a Grove collaborative haul. I really didn't think that many people would be interested in it because some people don't know what it is. Oh, hello! You want to be in the shot? The response to that was so big. I have a huge box that came in, like huge, because I ran out of so many cleaning products, and it's just so tedious for me to go to the grocery store. I just cannot stand going to the grocery store or like buying stuff like detergent. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna place an order on Grove Collaborative, what everybody and their mother talks about, and let me read on my computer what it says because they worded a lot better than I possibly could. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I just genuinely asked you guys if you guys want to see a haul. So it says Grove Collaborative is a reoccurring shipment service that delivers all natural home, beauty, and personal care products directly to your door. What makes Squirt collaborative different is that they are healthy, effective, eco-friendly, and they are affordable. I do agree with that because all their products are known to like be like eco-friendly, like they're good for the environment, they're good for the planet, they're good, you know, for your family. Like there isn't like super harsh chemicals. Some people care about that, some people don't, to be honest. I don't have a preference, but it's nice to know, and it gives me like a peace of mind when I'm using them, especially like around my dogs and stuff. So it does say that shipments are every 30 days, which for cleaning products, I would say every 2 months or every other month maybe, so that's what I'm gonna do. But some people want them every month. It just depends what you get, I guess. Oof. Let's see. Ooh, it smells good in here. Look at everything that I got. Does this show my address? Wow, I got a lot of things actually. We have this huge box filled with things. Oh yes, I wanted to try out the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day pumpkin scent that everyone was like, don't get it. But I was like, but I kind of want to get it just to see what people are talking about because I love pumpkin scented items. So let's try it on. What should I put on here? All right, so let's see. Ooh, do you like it, Gingy? I ran out of my basil scent, which makes me sad because that was my favorite one. Oh my god, they're right. This does not smell good. Doesn't smell as good as I would want it to. Yeah, don't get it. Don't get the pumpkin scent. Get the apple cider one. That one smells really good. This one is the Method dish soap in Honey Crisp Apple, and I heard so many good things about Method, so I was glad that I got this one. I'm running out of dish soap. Ooh, I want to lick it. It smells good. Don't lick the dish soap, Belinda. Alright, so I got the Method Antibacterial Toilet Cleaner. To be honest, I use like bleached products and I'm always like gasping and coughing and like suffocating in the bathroom when I clean it, but I feel like only bleach will get the bacteria out because I'm just like crazy about that. But we'll try this one out. I don't think this has bleach in it. We'll test it out. We'll see what happens. When you sign up, they give you free products, which is pretty cool because who doesn't want free products, especially like paper towels and stuff that you need. So there's a couple things in here that I didn't have to pay for, which is really awesome. They just kind of like included that in there for your first month. So that's pretty cool. So we've got some ultra absorbent paper towels. I mean, I need paper towels, so that was a pretty cool free gift. I also noticed that on the website they are discounted. At least some items are discounted. So if you guys want to save on cleaning products, it's also a good idea to go with Grove Collaborative. Then we have this 16-ounce spray bottle, which was also a free gift. It comes like really well packaged. Everything in here looks pretty well packaged. This is so cute. I'm really happy that I got this for free because I actually do use a spray bottle, and I feel like the one that I have is so cheap that the handle broke or it'll start like foaming out of like the top. So I actually clean my bathtub with vinegar, dish soap, and then I heat it up in the microwave, like 50% dish soap, 50% vinegar, and it cleans like the soap scum so perfectly. All I do is like I spray it everywhere, and then like 10 minutes later I'll go and I'll just wipe it off without having to scrub. So it is so much better than any other like harsh chemical cleanser that I've ever used before. I saw it on Pinterest, I had to try it out, so now I can use my cute little bottle and the spray will actually work. Then we have some 7th generation, I heard this is also a good brand, fabric softener sheets. And I really needed these. They smell decent. I really needed this because I'm running out. I just found them on the website. They were a little bit discounted, so I was like, hey, let's just use them. Then I also got the Method Squirt Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. This is free. They sent in some tissue paper as well. And I use these every single day when I do my makeup, so that's nice. Then we have hand soap, the pumpkin scent. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna keep this in the guest bathroom just because it's fall related, and all the decor in my guest bathroom is all like fall related, and there's like a lot of orange and stuff in there. Okay, there we go. Oh, you can see me a little bit better. Like I said, I'm like gasping for like air whenever I clean the bathroom because I use such harsh chemical cleaners. So I got this one too. This is a Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint, and we'll see how it is. Then I was running out of dishwasher detergent packs, and I want to try these by 7th generation. I think Love Meg uses the liquid one. I literally got these because of her. So I was like, maybe I'll get the pods, but next time I'll get the liquid. So if it works for her, it'll work for me, right? These next few things were also free with my order for being a first-time user. This is a Grove Collaborative walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. It includes 2 sponges. They look really cute. I also needed new sponges, and sponges are the one thing that I forget to buy all the time until like they start to smell. Like the last sponge out of like the pack of 3 or 4, I'll forget to get like more sponges because I'm like, oh, I have more at home because I never remember. So that's kind of something that I do want being shipped out to me like every 30 days. Like that's a really good thing to have, to be able to switch them out. So I might just have that done. We'll find out, but I'm glad they gave me sponges. And then this is something that I was so excited for. Honestly, if I am being 100% honest, this is what sold me on Grove Collaborative. I wanted the caddy. Is that sad? Like, that's why I wanted it. Oh my god, they got me with the caddy. This is so cute. I love the handle. It can go like underneath like my sink, or when I'm cleaning different rooms, I can bring it with me from place to place. It'll look cute in thumbnails and pictures, you know, like, gotta think about that Instagram life. But this is just so cute, and I really wanted it, so that's my sad story. And the last gift that I got for signing up is this right here. What is this? This is a candle. And this is a soy candle. I'm interested to see. Oh my god, it smells really good. And it reminds me of those popsicles that you eat in the summertime with like the cream filling inside. Do you know what I'm talking about? What are they called? I don't know what they're called, but that's exactly what it smells like. It smells really, really good. The reason why I got some free gifts is because I just signed up for the first time, and they do that to everyone. So if you guys want to sign up, you guys can use my link. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not being paid to talk about any of this. Like literally, like they give everyone a referral link so you can tell your friends about it. And if you guys want like the 5-piece gift set, and it also says that you get $10 after your first purchase. I think it's worth to look at the website to get like some discounted items, to get some free items, and to get stuff if you know that you're gonna need it on a monthly basis, or you could do it every other month. That's what I'm gonna do, every other month, because every 30 days, I don't know if I'll use that. So that is everything. I have to clean this mess up because my in-laws are about to come over, and I made some dinner for them, and I have to get this place clean. It's funny because the irony. We are eating some pot roast tonight, and I'm excited because it's one of my favorite meals that I make. I just toss it all in the crock pot, and 7 hours later, it's done. It's like super easy. So yeah, if you guys want to see that recipe, I'll have it over on my vlog channel because I am vlogging today. If you guys are interested in Grove Collaborative, I'll have that link down in the description box for you guys. You totally don't have to use my link if you don't want to. You could go to the website yourself, but you do get that $10 credit that you probably won't get if you just go to the website. So wink wink. I'll talk to you guys next time. I want a ginger for the outro. All right. Muchos besos. Mwah.